Welcome. Today, we're diving into a new update on Instagram that makes it easier than ever to see when you sent a post in a group chat using your PC. If you've ever wondered about the exact time you shared something, follow these simple steps to find out. First, open Instagram on your computer, launch your preferred web browser, and navigate to www.instagram.com. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Next, click on the Messages icon located in the left menu. This icon looks like a paper airplane and will take you to your direct messages where you can see all your conversations. Now, it's time to open the group that contains the post you're interested in. Scroll through your messages until you find the group chat where you shared the post. Click on it to open the conversation. Once you're in the group chat, find the post you want to check. Scroll through the messages until you locate your post. This could be a photo, video, or any other content you've shared. After you've found the post, click on the three dots next to it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options related to that post. Finally, you can see the time at the drop-down menu. The exact time when you sent the post will be displayed here, giving you all the information you need about when it was shared. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily check when you sent a post in an Instagram group chat on your PC. Whether you're trying to recall a specific moment or just curious about your posting habits, this feature is handy for keeping track of your shared content. Happy Instagramming!